Charles Rutherford did my surgery here, and I highly recommend him. It was a great experience. I had been having a few problems with my knee for about a year, and I knew that it was time to get it checked out. And I really wish I hadn't gone that long. So if I have anything to recommend, it's don't wait. If you feel like something's wrong, go ahead and have it checked out. But I went and saw Dr. Rutherford, and I couldn't believe the x-rays when they came out. And obviously it was quite clear that it was time for me to have surgery. And we went in, and the surgery was, basically it was amazing to me because they had me walking the day of the surgery. Now, of course, I didn't walk very far, but they still had me up on my legs walking. And then I only spent one night in the hospital, and the next day I got to go home. 6 weeks later, I was back to work, and I feel like the knee is doing very good. It was a wonderful procedure, and I highly recommend Dr. Rutherford and Medical City Hospital, Dallas. One of the things that I like to do, my wife and I ride motorcycles. And one of the things, even though we're on cruisers, which is a very natural, relaxed position, I couldn't ride very long without straightening my leg out or stopping the bike. And now that I've had this procedure, it was amazing to me how fast I was able to get back on the motorcycle and start riding again. And it feels just so much better to have had the procedure done. The other thing that I've noticed is that part of my problem was the osteoarthritis. Well, now we've had a couple of these rain fronts come through, and I don't have that arthritic pain anymore. And that's been a big relief to me.